The Iberian Peninsula is one of the most promising markets for solar and storage integration, but it also faces unique challenges. Today we will explore the main challenges and opportunities, and see how the region can position itself as a leader in renewable energy in Europe. Join me to discover the future of the Iberian market. The rapid growth of installed renewable energy capacity, with more than 20 gigawatts in Spain and 5 gigawatts in Portugal, has generated significant challenges for electricity grids, which must now adapt to efficiently manage energy production and consumption. The main challenges are energy dumping. During peak solar generation hours, the grid is not able to absorb all the energy produced, resulting in economic losses and a waste of renewable resources, limiting the potential of the energy transition. High infrastructure reinforcement costs. The development of new transmission lines to expand grid capacity is one solution, but it involves high costs and lengthy approval processes, slowing the implementation of improvements. Technical integration of BESS systems. Energy storage systems, BESS, are a key tool to alleviate grid saturation, but their integration faces technical and regulatory challenges that hinder their large-scale implementation and limit their impact. Grid saturation in the Iberian Peninsula requires a combination of technological, regulatory, and infrastructure solutions. Storage optimization, together with strategic grid planning, will be essential to maximize the use of renewable energies and guarantee the stability of the electricity system. The key initiatives are smart infrastructure development. The digitalization of the electric grid and the implementation of smart grids are facilitating the integration of renewable energies and storage systems, BESS. These infrastructures enable more efficient management of energy generation and consumption, optimizing the stability and responsiveness of the grid. Access to European funds. Programs such as Next Generation EU offer financing that can cover up to 40% of the costs associated with energy storage projects, reducing economic barriers to the expansion of solar infrastructure and encouraging investment in storage technology. Participation in ancillary markets. BESS systems can generate additional revenues by participating in frequency regulation and capacity reservation markets, providing critical services for grid stability and improving the profitability of solar projects. The expansion of solar in Europe is supported by a favorable environment of digital infrastructure, public financing, and ancillary markets. Taking advantage of these opportunities will enable a faster, more cost-effective, and sustainable energy transition, positioning renewables as pillars of the energy future. Future prospects in the Iberian market are towards a renewable energy hub. Some of them could be regulatory reform. Both Spain and Portugal are making progress in simplifying the authorization processes for renewable energy and energy storage projects, which will accelerate the implementation of new infrastructures and reduce development times. Increase storage capacity. Storage capacity through BESS systems in the Iberian Peninsula is projected to reach 5 gigawatts by 2030, strengthening grid stability and enabling greater integration of renewable energies. Green energy export. Thanks to improved electricity interconnections with France and other European markets, the Iberian Peninsula is positioned to become a hub for renewable energy exports, leading the supply of green energy in Europe. To maximize the potential of the Iberian market, it is essential to invest in energy storage and digitalization, which will optimize the management of renewable generation, increase export capacity, and consolidate the region's position as a key player in the European energy transition. My recommendations are: leverage European funds, apply for funding to reduce the upfront costs of your projects, implement advanced technologies, adopt smart grids and EMS to optimize the integration and operation of your systems, diversify revenues, participate in ancillary markets to generate additional revenues and stabilize the network. If you need help navigating these challenges and opportunities, contact me on LinkedIn. Together we can transform the Iberian energy market. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to continue learning about BESS systems.